So over here, you can see that I am using the light version of the appearance right here in diagrams.net. So if I were to go around over here onto extras, then here you can see that appearance is an option, and here right now light version is being used out. If I were to go around and select dark right here, then you can see that I get the dark theme right here, just like this, where the text turns white and the entire background and everything else turns that dark right here. You can go around onto extras, onto appearance, and choose automatic as well. And once you do that, what happens is that it takes the system's appearance setting. Like in my case, my system appearance is set to bright, and it took that as a reference to change the application to bright as well. You can go around over here and you can disable the classic look right here so that you got more of a modern look, as you can see, just like this, as well as you can see right here. You can go around over here and this is what you have, as you can see right here, and you got everything else right here. So this is what you have, as you can see, just like this, and then you can go around over here onto the top right hand corner and choose classic back again to get the menu back right here, just like this. So from over here as well, you can select dark, or you can go around disable the classic look so that you get more modern look right here, and you can also get back the menus by going to the classic look as well, just like this. So that is how you can go around and choose out the appearance of diagrams.net. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.